Okay.
And action. Okay, Camille, so how did we come up with this idea?
Right, so we started discussing, when we wanted to come to the research topic, we started discussing very wide
Options about discrimination in specific areas in order to limit a little bit of research to the London area. And starting from the general of discrimination.
We went to racism and then we went to homophobia.
Yeah, we went a little bit more specific and decided we wanted to investigate the roots of homophobia. So we believe that homophobic discrimination starts in schools, or what we decided that it would be a good idea to investigate or to conduct research on how homophobia is developing in schools around the London area.
We also thought about concentrating on the aspect of communication, especially among teachers, parents, and pupils, and because we think that it has a big impact on how homophobia is addressed and looked upon among homophobia groups, and it actually adds up to many problems, and we really want to investigate this particular area.
Also, how this actually relates to the grand challenge, to UCL's grand challenge of intercultural interactions. Well, mainly because it is literally, how do you say, like
schools that are really racially diverse, many
especially in London,
and we are concentrating on state schools. That means that we're going to look at the ones that are more not as well off.
Perhaps, yeah, not as well off socially, economically. We're also going to try to look at more marginal schools, more central schools. We actually selected some from the Camden area and from East London, where there had been recent reports of homophobia, and initiatives also at schools that had initiatives against homophobia, to see how it is working, which are the good methods to do so.
And also, it also relates to the intercultural interactions because it is, well,
in the webpage it says it also aims to contribute between the development of interdisciplines within UCL. We are also doing a very interdisciplinary research because as well as we are conducting and researching quantitatively.
What kind of methods are we using?
Yeah, we're using like ethnography, we're using interviewing, focus groups. And we are going to gather both quantitative and qualitative data, which will be analyzed by anthropologists and psychologists and a statistician and be supervised by senior researchers in order to gather statistics throughout 2 years and derive conclusions, which will hopefully tell us which are, first of all, the places where homophobia is more strong, and also which initiatives are the best to deal with it.
Hopefully that will help us prepare and advise the schools and make the platform for them to share their good experiences and to do ways to tackle homophobia, I would say. And also we're going to organize workshops in the end of our research project to share with the community and hopefully make some sort of impact. And hopefully our research is going to be a ground for other research for other researchers around UCL. And
well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The morning show is over.